Hobbies. Are you artistic, creative, a tech freak? Or do you like adventure with a bit of danger? No matter what kind of person you are, there are so many hobbies you can choose from. Skydiving is not for the faint-hearted. But if you like a good thrill, then try jumping out of a plane and see how it feels. Before you jump, a professional instructor will explain the whole procedure and the equipment you will be wearing. Here's another hobby full of adventure and colour. Paintball is a kind of shooting team game that you can play with your friends. The guns fire balls full of bright paint. There are specific rules to follow and protective clothing you have to wear. If you enjoy gadgets and technology, then you are sure to find great online games that will captivate you. Online video games nowadays are so interactive that players get really involved with all the action. There are online games for all tastes, action games, puzzle games, and all kinds of adventure games. Finally, if you like stamps or comic books, then collecting them is a great hobby to take up. Which activities do you like doing in your free time? Have you ever tried any of the hobbies in this video?